welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the ways to fix your login error on AliExpress. To fix your login error on AliExpress, you can follow these steps. Now, first thing first, what you want to do is make sure that you're logged into your account. When you're actually on the home page, this is how it's gonna look like. So you could see there is this option as sign in or sign up. Now I'm gonna press on the sign in option. So I'll be selecting through what you have to sign in. So click on continue with email, let's see. When you do that, you'll be asked to type in your information. Now many of you, what you happen to do is that when you're entering your credential, you might have misspelled the word or you might have entered the wrong credential. So this might be one of the issue why you're not able to log in. Likewise, sometimes it might be it might also be a server issue as well. So you could try again, and if this does not work it out, then you could wait patiently and you could then try updating your application in a meanwhile. And at the same time, you could also clear cache as well as data. Once you've actually done it, so restart your device along with that, and this should be able to fix the issue all at once. These are some of the ways to fix login error on AliExpress. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.